Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to convert PNG file to vector here in Adobe Illustrator. All right, so first up, go ahead over to your Adobe Illustrator, go to File, now go ahead and click on Place, and go ahead and find the PNG that you would like to convert, okay? So first up, maybe this one right here. Let's go ahead and check the file type, Properties. Yeah, this one is a PNG file. Now let's go ahead and open it up. Now draw the space where you want this PNG to be placed. All right. Now, as you can see here, it's placed and is highlighted. If it's not highlighted, just click on it. Now go ahead and go to the top, click on Window, and then here, go ahead and find Image Trace, which is right here. Okay. So click on Image Trace. Okay, and this little window will pop up. And as you can see here, it's only black and white, so I'm just going to leave it to black and white. Now, if you got colors, well, select a color, okay? And after that, just click on Trace. There you go. Now, you can go ahead and close this one and go to Object. So in here, what we're going to do is just go ahead and find Image Trace once more, okay? Right here. Click on it and just click on Expand. Click. There you go. And as you can see here, it is now under a group. Okay, right here under Quick Actions, it says Ungroup. Okay, and that's just how you convert your PNG file to vector here in Adobe Illustrator. Export it if you want to from here. Export as. Just make sure that you select the option SVG. Also, when you click on Save right here, Save As. It could be either AI or SVG as well. All right. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.